Do you want to hear another story?
Sige, go ahead.
I'll tell you another story naman. So, we have another client naman who's a B2B services firm. We've been working with them since January. So, ang B2B service, alam mo naman, may awareness, tapos may discovery call, tapos may demo call, tapos may pricing negotiation call. So, you're looking at like
daming stages
yes,
yan.
You're looking at like a 2-month to like 4 months before a decision is made.
Yeah.
So, our growth hack was basically, how can we make this faster? How can we make their prospects, yung prospects ng customer namin, ng client namin, to decide faster? So, what we did is we automated their sales pipe. We automated their follow-ups. So, yung WhatsApp na yung nagpa-follow-up, automated. No? And then, we also automated what we call parang video sales letters to the sales funnel ng client. So, pag nag-book ka ng discovery call, video na namin na maganda yung credentials presentation ko.
May ganun.
Kasi paulit-ulit natin pinipitch.
Pwede ka maglagay ng video dun sa app.
Yes. Diba? Pero paulit-ulit natin siyang pinipitch. I'm also a B2B practitioner.
Yeah.
So, credentials presentation na naman. Kwento na naman. If you have people doing the credentials presentation, pag heartbroken yung sales force mo, masama yung buga ng diba? Ng kwento ng diba? Presentation. So, what we did is, we generated videos for that, we shot the videos for that, So, automatic na silang pinapatak. After ng discovery call, iba na naman yung set of videos for the demo call. So, objections, pricing objections, details on how the plan works, etc., guarantees, etc. Hanggang sa, bubuin mo yung buong sales funnel na yun, na automated, may WhatsApp follow-ups, etc. And he was able to basically accelerate without hiring more people. Nabulunan na lang siya nung dumami na talaga.
Yung mga inbounds na.
Yes.
Okay.
So, because he's able to handle more. Diba? Dati, maybe you can only handle 50 opportunities. Kasi, follow-up ko to, tapos kikwentuhan ko to, Zoom na naman kami. Pero ito, since we automated it, now you could handle like 100, diba? 150 opportunities any given time. Tapos walang nalalaglag. Kasi automated diba? So, yeah, we did it. And after 5 months of working with us, his company got acquired.